Hello students, so I'm going to continue the chapter linear programming of 12th standard, exercise 7.1, question number 4. So now you are given the linear equation, that is linear inequation of two variables. See the difference between question number 3rd. In question number 3rd you are given the examples like this one, that is 2y minus 5 is greater than equals to 0, means containing only one variable. So in question number 4 there are two variables, and so we have to draw the graph of this inequation. So what is the process? So see here, first we have to draw this table. This is not necessary actually, so you can draw only one table. So in first column you have to write down the given inequation. So your given example you have to write down like this one. Next one, the corresponding equation. Just we have to remove this inequality sign and you have to write down the equal to sign, that is x plus 2y equals to 6. Now you have to find out the x and y coordinates. For that, just to find the x coordinate you have to put down y is equals to 0, and to find out the y coordinate you have to put down the x is equals to 0. So here we have to find out the x coordinate, so we put y is equals to 0 in this equation. If we put y is equals to 0, we get x is equals to 6. Similarly, we have to find out 2 points. Then you have to put down x is equals to 0, you will get the y coordinate, that is 3. So here we get the 2 points, a is 6, 0 and b is 0 and 3. In this inequation the sign you have given is less than equals to, so just we have to write, or you can omit this column also. And now you have to write down the region. So what is the meaning of this region? So see, in above examples you draw here the arrows, in this example arrows. So in this type of examples where we have to draw the arrow, so for that reason we have to mention the region, means on which side we have to draw the arrow. So for that purpose you have to just put down the coordinates of origin in this inequation. So coordinates of origin are 0, 0. So we have to put down x is equals to 0, y is equals to 0. So what we get on the left side, that is 0. So 0 is less than equals to 6. So is it true or not? So 0 is less than equals to 6. It's true. When you get the answer that is true, you have to draw the arrows on the origin side. I repeat again, when you get the answer that is true, then you have to write down the arrows on the origin side. And if it's not true, the answer will get it's not true, then we have to draw it's on non-origin side. So by example we will get this one. So we're going to solve this example. So now in this example we get the 2 points, that is a60 and b03. Just we have to draw x-axis, y-axis, and we have to plot these points. So my first point is a, that is 60. So 60 is here. So on x-axis we have to plot this one. So here is my a point 60, and my second point was that is 0 and 3, means which lies on the y-axis. So see here is 1, 2 and 3. So b point is here. Now you have to join this AB. So I draw this AB line, and actually this is the graph of the equation x plus 2y is equals to 6, which we write here, that is x plus 2y is equals to 6. So this is the line of this equation. Now we already find out that we have to draw the arrows on origin side here. How we get origin side? We see about this in this example, that is if we plot the points, that is origin coordinates of the origin here, that is 0, 0, we will get that is 0 is less than equals to 6, which is true, and so we have to draw the arrows on the origin side. So here this line is there, that is AB. This downward part is the origin side, and this upper part is the non-origin side. Origin side means here is the origin, that is origin is the, of these two axes. So here is the origin, so we have to draw these arrows on the origin side. So start from A and you have to just draw the parallel lines up to the B. So this is the answer of your example. Now the next example, that is 2x minus 5y is greater than equals to 0. Again same you have to draw here. So given inequation is 2x minus 5y greater than equals to 0. Again corresponding equation, just remove this inequality sign and write down equal to sign. Find out x and y coordinates. First we have to put down y is equals to 0 in this equation. So we'll get 5 and after that put down x is equals to 0 here, so we'll get minus 5y is equals to 10, so y is equals to minus 2. So here we get the 2 points, that is a 5 0 and b 0 and minus 2. Again we have to put down the coordinates of origin in this equation, so coordinates of origin are 0 0, so x is equals to 0, y is equals to 0, so total left side we get 0, and what we get, that is 0 is greater than equals to 10. 0 is greater than equals to 10, which is not true, and so we have to draw the arrows on non-origin side. So remember this, how to draw the arrows and how we choose the region, that is origin side and non-origin side. So here we have to just plot these points, that is a and b. So the coordinates of a are 5 0, so 1 2 3 4 5, here is 5 0 point a, and the b point is 0 and minus 2, so here is 1 and minus 2, so b is here, and we join this line, that is AB, so which is the graph of the equation, that is 2x minus 5y is equals to 10. Here we have to draw the equals to 10, don't write the in equation. 2x minus 5y equals to 10, and in this way we get the graph of this equation. And now we have to draw the arrows on the non-origin side. Now see this line, and origin is on this side, but we have to draw the arrows on non-origin side, so non-origin side is downward side. So we have to start from A, just draw the parallel lines up to B. So this is the example second. Now see the example number third. Third example is something different from first and second, so I solve here. That is 3x plus 2y is greater than equals to 0. Now see in this example there is a 0, so there is some problem. So how to solve this one? So given in equation is 3x plus 2y greater than equals to 0, so corresponding equation we draw here. Now if we use the 0, means if we put that is y is equals to 0, we get x is equals to also 0, that means 0 0. And how to find out the second? So both the points will get here 0 0 0 0. So in this type of examples we have to choose the coordinates or coordinates other than 0. So here we put that is y is equals to 3. You can take any point. So I put here y is equals to 3. So 2 3s are 6, move to this side, so we'll get x is equals to 3 2s are, that is minus 2. If we move this 6 on this side, so it becomes minus, so x coordinate we get here minus 2. Similarly here I take the x coordinate as a 2, you can take any one. So x 3 2s are 6, so again we have to move to this side, so 2y is equals to minus 6, so y is equals to minus 3. So here we get the point, that is a is equals to minus 2 and 3 and 2 and minus 3. Now how to solve this one now? In about 2 examples we put that the coordinates of origin here, but in this example you can take any point other than origin. So I take here 1 1. So I take the point that is 1 1. 1 1 means we have to put down x is equals to 1 and y is equals to 1. You take any point. So I take here x is equals to 1 and y is equals to 1, the simple one. So 3 and plus 2, so we'll get here 5. So 5 is greater than equals to 0. So is it true or not? 5 is greater than equals to 0. So it's true. So we have to draw the arrows on origin side. Instead of writing origin side, we have to write down towards the 1 1, because we put the point, that is we put the coordinates as 1 1. So we have to draw the arrows on the 1 1 point side. So here we draw, first we have to plot this point 1 1 and we have to draw the arrows towards this point. So first we are going to plot this point, that is 1 1. So here x is 1 and y is also 1. So my point, that is 1 1, is here. And first we are going to draw this plot this point, that is a and b. So a is minus 2. So see here minus 2 and 3. So here is 3. So my point is here, that is a point is here. And now see the b point, that is 2 and minus 3. So here is 2 and minus 3 is here. So this is my b point. And now we're just going to draw this line through a and b. So this is the line of the equation, 3x plus 2y is equals to 0. Now see, we have to draw the arrows towards this point where we plot this point, that is 1 1. So I draw here the lines towards the 1 1. So this is all about the example number 3, and you have to try for the example number 4. Now we are going to solve the question number 5. Now see, what is the question number 5? Again, in question number 4 we just we plot the graph, or we solve this equation graphically. Only one equation we solve in question number 4. In question number 5, at a time we have to draw the two inequations by graph. We have to solve the two inequation by graph. So similar process, same process we have to do here. So first I take this, we have to draw this table similar that of the question number 4. So 2x plus 5, it is your given equation, converted into corresponding equation, that is use here equal to sign. Since there is not a 0, so we can put here. So first we have to put y is equals to 0 and find out the x coordinate, and after that put x is equals to 0 here and find out the y coordinate, that is 0. So here we get a as a 1 0 and b is a 0 2. Now see here, again we have to put down the coordinates of the origin here, that is x is equals to 0 and y is equals to 0. So we get 0 here. So 0 is greater than equals to 2. Is it true? So it is true. 0 is greater than equals to 2. It's not true, and so we have to draw the arrows on non-origin side. See here, again we plot here, we put here the coordinates of origin here, x and y. So that is 0 0. So we get here 0, which is greater than equals to 2, but this is not true, and so we have to draw the arrows on non-origin side. And the second equation, that is x minus y is less than equals to 1. Corresponding equation is x minus y is equals to 1. So here to find out the x coordinate, put down y is equals to 0. So we'll get x is equals to 1, and to find y coordinate, put x is equals to 0. So we'll get minus y is equals to 1. So y is equals to minus 1. So here we get the C coordinate, that is C point having coordinate 1 0, and point D having coordinates 0 and minus 1. Again put down the coordinates of origin here, that is x is 0. So 0 minus 0. So totally we get here 0. So 0 is less than equals to 1, which is true. So for this equation we have to draw the arrows on origin side. See here, in both the equations, here we have to draw the arrows on non-origin side, and here origin side. So first we draw the x-axis and y-axis. So here is x-axis and y-axis. We have to plot the points. So first we have to plot point A, after that B, and we have to join this AB line. Then we plot C, and then we join the CD line. So first see the A. So A having coordinates 1 0. So here, that is A having the coordinates 1 0 and C also having coordinates 1 0. So both the points are on the same location. So is A is also here and C is also here. So 1 0 is the location of both the points A and C. Now B is 0 2. So here is 0 2. So it is on the y-axis. So here is the point B. Next one, D, that is 0 and minus 1. So 0 and minus 1 here. So here we get the point D. Now if we first join this AB. So here is A and B. So I am going to join this AB. And now see, for the point, for the line AB, so it is the graph of the equation, that is 2x plus y is equals to 2. So we have to mention here. And for this equation we have to draw the arrows on non-origin side. So first see this AB line. So what is the origin side of this AB? So this part, it is origin side, but we have to draw the arrows on non-origin side, and non-origin side is on this part. So here just I draw only one arrow here, just to confirm that is this one is the non-origin side. And next one, that is x minus y. So for that we have to join these points, that is C and D. So here is C and D. So C point is here and D point is here. So we draw the line, that is CD here, which is the graph of the equation x minus y is equals to 1. So here I written the equation x minus y is equals to 1. Now for this line we have to draw the arrows on the origin side. So first see the line. So this is line. So origin is here, so origin side is like on this side, so I draw here only one arrow. And now see, if we draw the arrows like this one here, so see the arrows will be like this one on this side, and these arrows will be like this one. So which is the common point or common intersection of these two lines, that is this part. And so together we draw here these arrows like this one. So this part is the a solution of this, or it is a graphical representation of this 2n equation. And similarly we have to solve the remaining examples from this question number 5. So this is the end of the exercise 7.1, and the remaining examples we will see in the next lecture. Thank you.